In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a HubSpot sales dashboard, and it's a quick process that should take about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the steps you need to get started efficiently. First off, let's navigate to the HubSpot website, which will be our starting point. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. This is the part where you'll access your personal HubSpot account. If you prefer using your Google account to keep things simple and streamlined, click on the option Sign in with Google. From here, select the Google account you wish to use, and just like that, you're logged in. Now that you're in, we want to head over to the reporting section because this is where all your dashboards and data will come to life. You might find this under the Discover section depending on recent updates, but focus on finding reporting or reports in your navigation bar. Once you've found it, give it a click. Next, you'll be taken to the reporting area. Here, you're going to look for an option labeled Dashboards. Clicking on this will bring up all your dashboard templates and options. Now, to make this process quicker, type in sales in the search bar. This helps to filter out the templates, making it easier to find exactly what we're looking for. The next step is crucial. After you've searched for, you should see a sales template pop up. Click on the sales template to start the creation of your customized dashboard. From here, click Next to proceed with setting up the details for your dashboard. Now comes the fun part, naming your new dashboard. Think of a name that best represents the data or the purpose of this dashboard for you or your team. A good practice is to be specific with your naming. This helps in easily identifying the dashboard later on among others you might create. Finally, after you've named your dashboard, you're ready to bring it to life. Look for the option that says Create Dashboard and click on it. Your new sales dashboard will be generated and ready to use. And that's it. You've just created a HubSpot sales dashboard. With this setup, you can now explore and customize further to track sales performance, visualize data, and gain insights that can drive your business initiatives. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful.